Welcome back to Edulexis. I am your instructor, and today is day 83 of our complete Python programming course. Throughout this journey, we have built complex applications, managed databases, and solved algorithmic challenges. But today, we transition into a critical professional milestone: writing clean, maintainable, and industry-standard code. We will master two essential tools today: Pylint for code analysis and Black for code formatting. Let's dive right in. To begin with, let's answer a fundamental question: what exactly is clean code? In professional software engineering, code doesn't just need to execute correctly and return the right output, it must also be easily read, understood, and modified by other developers. When you collaborate in a team or open-source project, readable code drastically reduces bugs and accelerates development cycles. Clean code acts as a clear story that communicates its own intent without requiring complex documentation. Even experienced developers occasionally write messy code under tight deadlines. This is where automated tools become indispensable. Let's introduce our first tool, Pylint. Think of Pylint as your rigorous, highly detailed personal code reviewer or grammar teacher for Python. Pylint performs static code analysis, which means it inspects your source code without executing it, checking for syntax errors, coding standard violations, smell indicators, and suboptimal constructs. Installing and running Pylint is straightforward. Open up your terminal or command prompt and execute the command pip install Pylint. Once installation completes successfully, you can analyze any Python script by typing pylint script_name.py. When execution finishes, Pylint evaluates your code structure and assigns you an objective score out of 10 points. Our ultimate goal in professional software development is to consistently push our code bases toward that 10 out of 10 rating. Let's explore what happens beneath the hood when Pylint runs. It scans your files and generates a granular report categorized by warning classes and error codes. It flags unused variable declarations, missing module or function docstrings, non-standard naming conventions such as camel case instead of snake_case, and overly nested loops or complex logic blocks. These insights help you understand precisely where your code deviates from community standards. Let's walk through a concrete example. Imagine you write a quick script containing variables named simply A, B, or the data list using mixed styling. When you pass this script to Pylint, it immediately outputs warnings signaling non-compliance with PEP8 naming conventions. By paying attention to these warnings, you actively train yourself to write cleaner, more idiomatic Python code naturally over time. Now that we know how Pylint catches logical smells and violations, let's explore our second vital tool for today, Black. Black is famously known as the uncompromising Python code formatter. Unlike other formatters that offer extensive configuration options, Black takes complete control. It formats your code uniformly according to strict PEP8 guidelines, eliminating trivial arguments about spacing, quotes, and line breaks within development teams entirely. Getting started with Black is just as simple. Open your terminal and run pip install Black. Once installed, apply it to your source code by running Black script_name.py. As soon as you execute this command, you will witness Black instantly reorganizing your code structure, correcting indentation depth, aligning long parameter lists, and standardizing string quotation marks across the entire file automatically. A common question beginners ask is, why do we need both Pylint and Black if they both deal with code appearance and structure? The answer lies in their distinct roles. Black handles purely mechanical formatting, spacing, indentation, line wrapping, so you never have to think about them manually. Pylint handles static analysis, detecting logical flaws, dead code, unused imports, and architectural risks. Together, they form a complete clean code pipeline. Let's look at a practical live demonstration. On your screen right now, notice this sample. Script. It contains long lines stretching past 100 characters, irregular spacing, around operators, and mismatched indentation tabs and spaces. To any developer reviewing this repository, this file looks disorganized and difficult to parse quickly. Let's see how our toolkit transforms it step by step. Let's execute black on our messy sample file right now. Watch closely as the terminal confirms formatting updates. Opening the file again, every single long line has been neatly wrapped, operators have uniform padding, and indentation is flawless. The entire file now conforms seamlessly to professional layout standards without us spending hours manually pressing spacebars or return keys. Now that our formatting is pristine thanks to black, let's run Pylint on the same file to evaluate code quality. Pylint might still point out that a specific function lacks a doc string or that an import statement is completely unused. We address these final notices directly, ensuring our script is not only beautiful on the outside but robust, clean, and fully compliant on the inside as well. Integrating Pylint and black into your daily workflow prevents technical debt from accumulating over time. When every developer on a project uses the same formatting and linting rules, code reviews become much faster and more focused. Reviewers can spend their valuable time evaluating core business logic and system architecture rather than arguing about whether to use single or double quotes or where line breaks should occur. In modern professional development environments, you don't even have to run these commands manually in the terminal every time. You can easily configure modern code editors like Visual Studio Code or PyCharm to run black and Pylint automatically in the background every single time you save your file using the shortcut Ctrl+S or CMD+S. This automation makes clean coding effortless and seamless. To wrap up day 83 here at Edulexis, remember that writing code that merely runs is only half the job. Writing clean, professional code is what sets exceptional developers apart. Use black to automate your formatting and Pylint to catch logical warnings and maintain high code quality standards. Practice these habits today in your local environment. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and see you all on day 84.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.